Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this meditation, we'll reconnect with our inner stability to find grounding in times of stress or anxiety. Start by finding a comfortable seat. As you settle in, allow your sitting bones to root down into your cushion or chair, and encourage your spine to lengthen up through the crown of your head. Gently relax the muscles of your face. Soften your forehead, your eyes, your lips, your jaw. Release tension in your neck and shoulders. And find an easy place to rest your hands, letting your palms relax in your lap. And now, breathe deeply. Take a full inhale and a slow exhale. And again, deep breath in and complete breath out. And continue to breathe deeply for a few moments, arriving fully into your practice. And now let your breath soften. Returning to an easy, natural rhythm, notice the ebb and flow of your inhales and exhales. And gently narrow your attention into the place where your breath enters and exits your body. Notice the cool air entering your nostrils on your inhalations. Notice the warmth of your breath as it moves out again. As you stay with your breath entering and exiting your nostrils, begin to notice the details of how it feels. There's no right or wrong. Simply notice the sensations of your breath moving in and moving out. Is your breath rugged or smooth? Does it feel dry or moist? Does it make a sound? For a few moments, observe the sensations exactly as they are. And now softly direct your attention to your hands. Tune into your whole hands without moving them. Notice the backs of your hands, your palms, all of your fingers. And begin to notice any sensations there. Perhaps there is tingling or pulsing. They might feel warm or cold. Drop any judgment, and for a few moments, stay with your breath moving in and out and observe the sensations in your hands. And now draw your awareness down to your feet. In particular, become aware of the place your feet connect with the ground. And notice your entire feet. The skin at the top of the feet. All 10 toes. The soles of your feet. And whether you are sitting on the floor or in a chair, let your feet connect firmly with the ground beneath you. Let your feet become your anchor, connecting you deeply to the earth beneath you. Your feet stable and strong on the ground. And for the next few moments, stay aware of your breath moving in and out, and welcome all sensations in your feet. Connect deeply with the stability and grounding of your feet. Now, softly let your attention widen. When stress mounts or anxiety rises, it can leave us feeling restless or scattered, disoriented or shaky. In these unsettling instances, bringing ourselves back into our bodies can help us reconnect with the present moment. As we redirect our attention to our feet and feel them planted firmly onto the earth, we are calling our senses back into the world around us. As we open to the rich sensations in our hands, we gently pull our attention away from worries and into our bodies again. When we feel into our breath, we give ourselves the opportunity to pause the whirlwind of anxiety and return to the here and now. We reconnect with our inner stability, anchoring ourselves back into reality. The good news is that you can carry these simple and accessible tools with you everywhere you go. So when stress or anxiety arises, find your anchor. Drop your attention down to your feet where they connect with the earth. Feel into your hands, noticing how alive they are, or observe the fluidity of your breath. Drop back into the present moment. Now notice your breath again, and feel into your whole body breathing with you. When you're ready, bring small movements back into your extremities and gently open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this session, and we'll see you again soon.